Welcome to our tutorial on how to find message categories in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to locate the categories feature in Gmail and effectively manage your emails. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Look for the main menu icon located at the top left corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the menu. Step 3. Within the menu, locate and click on the More option. Step 4. From the expanded menu, find and click on Categories. By following these quick steps, you can easily find the message categories feature in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to categorize your emails into different sections, such as primary, social, promotions, and more, making it easier to navigate and manage your inbox. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy organizing your emails in Gmail.